How to share your work with clients in Wrike. Sharing your work with clients in Wrike can be done effectively by using the report snapshot feature. This allows you to share an overview of tasks and their statuses with clients who aren't part of your Wrike account, and here is how to do it. The first step is to create an account, okay? So create an account. To create a report after logging into your account. To create a report, move to the left side of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on your profile icon in the box displayed, click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see options, right? Such as profile, work schedule, account info, etc. Once you can see this, the next step is to go back to your inbox page and then move to the search inbox, and then underneath inbox you can see the more options. Click on it. In this option or in this box you can see other options like dashboard, my to do, request forms, timesheet, reports. Just click on reports, and then the next step is to select the reports that you would like to share with your client. If you don't have one, ensure you create a report by clicking on the custom report. Now once the report is ready, for example, I'll make use of this particular one. Now this is the report. Once the report is ready, the next step is to take a snapshot or generate a snapshot of this report. A report snapshot is a static image of the report, which means it won't update automatically. All right. So after taking the snapshot, the next thing is to share the generated link with your client. They'll be able to view the snapshots without needing to log in or sign up for your um on your Rex account. Okay. So you can see, to create the snapshot, move to the top right corner of the screen here, where you can next to subscribe, share, edit, and then click on the more options button. Then click on snapshots, okay, or click on create snapshot. Then give it a name. For example, this is a campaign snapshot, so I'll just type that out now. Snapshot. Then you can generate a link for it. Then click on done, and then just like that, the link could be generated. Once the link is generated, copy the link, click on done, and then you can now share it to your client. As you can see, it's loading, so you have to wait for it to load. Once you get your link, send it to your client and they can always check out the report. So that is it. I hope the tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.